Summer isn't complete without mangoes, so today I'm making amras. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and if you enjoy this video, please do give me a like. That would really make me happy. In Maharashtra, amras is typically made with local alphonso mangoes and traditionally enjoyed with puris as aamras-puri. So I pick fully ripe mangoes and leave them in cold water for 2 to 3 hours. This helps reduce their inherent heat. Then I clean them and get rid of any dirt that they may have and wipe them dry with a tea towel like this. Here I am sharing the traditional way of making amras with just one mango, focusing on the technique. The pulp of 3 medium-sized mangoes will serve 2 with a generous bowlful per person. After the mangoes have been rinsed and cleaned, pinch out and discard the black stalky bit on top. Massage the mango skin all over with your fingers and thumb like this to loosen the flesh inside, rotating as you go. If you now press the mango skin, it'll feel soft and squishy. That's when you know the flesh inside the mango has loosened up. At this point, squeeze out the mango pulp through the hole where the stalk was. Let the seed pop out too, and squeeze all the pulpy yumminess out from that scrunched up mango peel as well. Leave it to one side. We will get more out of it later. Oh, this traditional way of making amras is one of the most tactile and satisfying experiences you can have in the kitchen. Continue squeezing the mango seed to collect its nectar, and once the seed is dry, keep it aside with the peels. Repeat the same for the other mangoes and collect their pulp in a big bowl. You know, I think it's a sin to let all that mango goodness in the peels go to waste. So rub them together and rinse with a little bit of water into a separate bowl. Here I used about 125 milliliters of water in total. Rinse the mango seeds in the same way. Then transfer this watery mango nectar into the mango pulp. Add sugar depending on how sweet the mangoes are. Then stir with a ladle or spoon and leave in the fridge for 30 minutes before serving. If you want, you can garnish with saffron and cardamom. And there, your amras is ready. So did you find this video helpful? Do let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.